Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you're an OG, thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. So today, you guys, I got so many comments on YouTube about this pipe cleaner curl set and how I'm making it last and what I'm doing to keep my hair from preventing my hair from being dry. I wanted to address those things here on this video. So if you guys are interested, you want to hear all about it, keep on watching. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and start with how I am preventing dryness. So if you guys have been here for a while, you know that the winter months, the cooler months is my dry season. And I'm probably not the only one. Y'all are probably dealing with the same exact thing. But fall into winter, when my body starts to sense the coolness, everything dries up from my head to my toes, unfortunately. So I literally have to figure out, and I still haven't gotten it down to a science as far as my skin, figuring out what works for my skin. I've tried all kinds of lotions. Baby, I have tried lotions, oils, butters, oils on top of the butters, butters on top of the lotions. And I'm still dry at the end of the day. So I'm still struggling with finding that right product or that right oil that I need to, combat the dryness. But if my skin is dry, I am for sure 100% certain that my scalp is not far behind. So I'm going to talk to you guys what I've been doing to kind of prevent my hair from my scalp from being dry while keeping my curls. So the first thing that I do when I wake up in the morning is I take my bonnet off, shake my hair out, and I kind of analyze my scalp to see if there's any flakes, how it's looking, if it's looking dry, and I'll go from there. So the first thing that I do after I evaluate my scalp is I'll dip my fingertips in water. All right, I'll just turn on the warm water from the sink. I'll dip my fingertips in water, and then I'll just take it and I'll just hit my scalp all over. I'll just run my fingertips through my scalp with that water. I'll keep going in with the water, going back to my scalp. Now I'm going to get some of the curls wet, but it's not enough water to completely ruin the style. So I'm just taking my fingers, and when I feel like my scalp is saturated enough with water, then I go in with this Maya oil. I put that on my fingertips and I do the same thing. Now lately I've been using the lock comb. I have not told you guys about the lock comb, but I did mention it in a previous video. And so I'll just take the lock comb and just kind of do one of these numbers all over my hair. And let me see if y'all can see that, but I'll take it and I'll kind of do one of these just to massage that oil into my scalp. It feels so good. This is also a massager. So I absolutely love to use it in the mornings when my hair is damp and that oil is on there. It's massaging everything. Once I do that, I kind of take a look at my scalp again and make sure, I got everywhere, especially my problem areas, maybe around my edges here. But now I go a step further. If I'm feeling like my locks are looking a bit dull, I go in with my favorite oil. You guys have seen this before. It's the coconut oil. It's from OGX. It's the Weightless Hydrating Oil Mist. All that I do is I spray this on my locks. So that's what I've been doing to keep my locks hydrated and to prevent them from being dry while I'm trying to let this style last. Now, when it comes to preserving these curls, I actually posted a video on Instagram, and I'm gonna post it right here because it's so super easy. The only thing that I do is I take my bonnet and I flip my head over. I put all of my hair on top of my head, and I call it the day. I put my bonnet on and call it the day. That is pretty much it. That is all that I do to preserve the curls at night. Still looks good. Let me give you guys a 360 of the hair at day 15 so you can see what it's looking like. And you can see some of my straight pieces are in the very back. Doesn't look too bad though. Still looks really good. All of these curls up here are completely preserved. They may have loosened up a little bit, but not a whole bunch. They're still very, very, very tight. The lock comb massagers are linked in this video or in the description box if you guys are interested in picking up one. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comment below in the comment section. And as always, I'll talk to you guys down below in the comment section. Bye.